Hello everyone, I am Dhyan Mittal from Bal Bharati Public School Ludhiana and I am applying for ATL Community Challenge 2020 under the theme AI Problem Statement. As in current pandemic situation to get rid of COVID-19, I thought to develop touchless doorbell using clap switch system during lockdown time. And today we are making clap switch system. You need our Arduino cable, Arduino Uno, LED, microphone module, jumper wires, breadboard, and a buzzer. Now take your breadboard and your Arduino and place it. Now take your microphone module and place it in the holes in the breadboard. Now take your LED, the positive leg in the pin 13 and the negative on the ground. Now take your jumper wire from VCC pin of your microphone module to 5 volts of your Arduino. Now take another from ground pin to ground pin on the Arduino. Now from out pin to analog 0 pin on the Arduino. Now just code. I'm going to explain Arduino. Arduino is a microcontroller which controls the project you have made. These are digital pins. These are used to give inputs and outputs. Now, these are analog pins. These are used to give inputs. These are power pins which are used to give power to your modules. This is the chip which controls the Arduino board. This is the reset button. It is used to reset the projects you have made. This is the type B socket which is used to give in commands using this cable. We plug it into the computer to code it. This is the power jack which gives the power to the whole board. Next comes the microphone module. Microphone module is a module which has a microphone and an amplifier built in it. This potentiometer is used to tune it. These are 3 pins of the microphone module. Next comes the breadboard. Breadboard is a board which has columns connected together and rows connected together to do wiring and circuits. The rows are split at the center. Next is jumper wire. Jumper wire is a wire used in wiring in the breadboard and the Arduino. Next is LED. LED is a light emitting diode with a positive leg and a negative leg, also plus and minus. This is how the circuit works. When we clap or knock the table, the voice goes into the microphone module, gets amplified and outputs the signal to the Arduino. And in the Arduino, the chip which controls the whole board gets the signal, processes and sends the signal to the LED to light up. It is only done when it is connected to power supply. The same thing happens when we clap again. The voice goes in and the LED stops. You can use a buzzer instead of an LED. With a 1K resistor, you can see the color code. I am using a 1K resistor so that if I clap, the voice of the clap will not get cancelled with the voice of the buzzer. It is useful to make a touchless doorbell and can be used in the current scenario of coronavirus, in which if one person has the virus, the other person can get it if the person infected touches the other person, so that if the person will clap, it will do nothing to us, but if he will touch the doorbell, the particle of his hands can stick to the doorbell, and we can get them too by clicking the doorbell to get inside. This is the process of touchless doorbell. First, take your buzzer with the positive leg on the left side and the negative leg on the right side. You can see. Next, take your resistor, 1K resistor, and place one pin to any pin of the buzzer and the other pin to any column in your breadboard. Now take a jumper wire from the negative pin. I have connected the resistor to the negative pin, so I am connecting from resistor to ground. Now take the another jumper wire from positive leg of the buzzer to pin 13 on the arduino. Now we have created the circuit for touchless doorbell. Now I'm going to explain buzzer. Buzzer is a module which has circuitry inside it, which makes noise when we connect it with its two terminals, the positive and the negative. Next is resistor. Resistor is a diode useful in circuits, so it can give us less voltage